we both share the love of the Bible. It gives me a special pleasure to host you here with your wife. We see this as a very important turning point in the upgrading of the relations between our countries. We could do so much more in terms of business relations in all fields of agriculture, trade, science, and energy, and all other fields of joint cooperation.
I am very keen on matters to do with health. As you're aware, Kenya has identified health as one of our priority areas. We're looking forward to working with you on blue economy. Mm-hmm. We have huge potential in the blue economy space that is untapped and that needs investment and cooperation, and I am very confident that Israel can share with us your experience and work with your technology and work with your expertise in that space. And of course, on matters to do with security.